Hello guys, welcome to Casa Ilaya. We're going to the kitchen first. Kitchen and common area. There's karaoke there, have fun. Water dispenser, room number 1. We have 2 bunk bed, aircon. There's the kitchen guys, you can bring your own food. An extra restroom. And then there's the pool area on the left. Room. We have aircon there. There's the restroom. Let's go to the room number 3. Have aircon too. Let's go to the pool now. Here's the pool guys. The kids can enjoy here. And thank you for watching guys.